cherished me and choked me. All happened so slowly. I felt it like crushed velvet. I felt it like crushed velvet. I could tell when he said my name that he felt the same. And that shit was my favorite. I love it, I hate it, 'cause I waited and waited, never been so frustrated. I felt it like crushed velvet. I felt it like crushed velvet. I could tell when he said my name that he felt the